hapsidan no sessions ko na kasi processes lo traga na alko. At start na bila to bila tempo ko yang klige give this la opportunity na space na mi play ran la training na basic. Thank you. Mi play top solo ta solo sa mi run late lo time lo program. So now kami sila team. For one we play a two club by me presenting the first one the education plan resume. Kami sila team first group block 2. So only got representing law or marking on just law. Only thinking the presenting is la plan law and last day na it is part of the training component. So presenting na you try to pick.